Good day, everyone. My name is Elgin Jiggets. I'm from Elevate Technology, and today I'm going to show you how to capture point cloud data and then import it into Revit to use for laying out your projects. So the first thing you want to do is take your drone up
and fly to as many areas of the site
and capture as many photos as you can. Remember, the more photos you take, the better. So each one of the photos you're going to later upload into a program. For this example, I'm going to use DroneDeploy.com, and you upload the images into the software, and it basically stitches all of the images together, and it basically creates a model from it. So when they're stitched together, the software is able to determine heights of each point that you capture, and when they stitch together, they are able to generate connected mesh point cloud
data map.
After you take the photos, you bring the drone back down, obviously, and bring it back to the computer. So once you get back to the office, you're gonna go to this website called DroneDeploy.com, and you're gonna create a project folder, type in the address of it, or you can actually move around the GPS coordinates to find your location. So once you find it, you're gonna go ahead and upload all the photos, and then once the photos upload, it'll automatically stitch the photos together. Now that process could take anywhere from a few minutes to about 10, maybe 15 minutes or so. Just depends on how many photos you capture. So once you capture them, as you can see, it generates a model that looks something like this. So if you look into all the black parts of the model, that's basically areas where you didn't capture enough photos and it didn't have enough information to really generate a 3D representation of the property. Also points like this that are really blurry or are really smeared, that's basically indicates that you didn't take enough photos in that area. So ideally you want to probably go back to the site, take some more photos in that area, and then afterwards you can upload those photos and add to this model. But for this instance, I'll just go ahead and show you what to do, or what's the next step to do after this. So now when you're ready to convert this model into a point cloud model, you just flip this switch up here, label point cloud, and the model will regenerate, transforming all of the graphics from the 3D file into a point cloud data file, which is what you're seeing right now. So as you can see, it doesn't seem as high quality as the 3D rendering, although this is the proper format that Revit will import into the model, and it will render graphically in any view. So if you zoom into this rendering, they are all actual small little dots aligned in the correct space to generate a 3D model. So just remember, obviously try to get as much as you can of the exterior around the outside of your property. And basically you would be able to use this to lay out the designs of either new construction or as-built drawings.
Now when you're ready to export this model, you click the export button down here at the bottom of the screen, and it will enable you to export the point cloud data.
And for now you want to keep it on manual, and you just want to go through each of these points. As far as the layer, you can switch this from point cloud to a couple other features. For our case, we're just going to use point cloud. The file type, a few other choices here. RCP is the best one, but since we're using the trial version, we'll just use a .las laser file, and then we have to convert it after this. But use this one, max points, click export, and then it will process the export file and then send it to your email.
Okay, once you receive that in your inbox, just open it up, scroll down, click the download link to download to your computer and a zip file. Then you just need to unzip it and you'll be ready to open it in the next program, which is this one, AutoDesk Recap. This is like a native program that comes with the download of Revit. So just open this program up. Once it fires up, then you'll be ready to convert the file to the proper file type that Revit will be able to utilize. So once it opens up, just click this little tab, click OK. Then you're going to navigate to the home button, go down to the open, and you're going to locate the file that you just exported. Click that one, click open, and once it opens up, then you have your point cloud data. So from here, you just navigate back towards the home button, go to the export button, it's right below that download button right here. Click here, and you're going to export it as this, the unified RCP. So just give it a name, type it in here, click on save. Unifying scan data, yeah, just click let's go, and it will start to perform the export. Now this could take a little while, about a minute or so, but once it completes, then just switch back over to Revit, and you're gonna click on the insert tab, click on this button here, point cloud, navigate to your downloads, wherever you saved that file, select it, click open, and boom, there you go. Now you officially have the point cloud data loaded into Revit. So from here you'll be able to take it, scale it, make sure everything's the correct size. Definitely just want to verify that. Then from there you'll be able to start to model on top of it, utilizing all this point cloud information, all this data as a reference for your design work.
Later, much later.
Now after a lot of hard work, I went ahead and designed as many buildings as I could for this project. I was able to complete about 4.5 buildings, as you can see. So I just was using the point cloud data just to lay it out, just to get the spacing 100% right, to get the environment correct. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good so far. So once I'm done using this as a reference, I'll definitely want to hide this in the view. I definitely don't want to show this information on drawings or sheets. This is just to be used for reference data. So thanks a lot for tuning in and watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, maybe share with other people, other colleagues from your office that may be experiencing questions about importing point cloud data into their model and utilizing it for design work. Alright, thanks a bunch. Talk to you guys soon.